Hi, I am going to show you how to store the data into Matomo without the tracking code. Okay, like we we are going to store data in Matomo without any website and without the tracking code in the website. Okay, my requirement was my requirement was to get the data from DB and then store the data into Matomo. Okay, here is a code. I have created a database in my local system on localhost. I have checked the connection, MySQL connection is working or not. I have read the data from MySQL where tracking ID is this one. Let me show you MySQL data. Here is the table name field and here is the tracking ID, this one and this one. Let me change this one. Okay, so I have written a query where the tracking ID is this one. I need source, publication, F and subtitle or maybe sub 1. Okay, there can be anything. Okay, I have read it from database in 4 custom dimensions, dimension 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively, and here is the Matomo API you can see, and I have used the dimension 2 is equal to the variable which I have used for dimension 2 and same thing for the other dimensions. Okay, I will also share this API with you so that you can change it if it is required. So I executed this API and I checked. If there is no error in the response, then I would say the data has been pushed to Matomo successfully. Okay, if I don't get the data from MySQL, I would say 0 results found from database. Okay, then I would finally close my connection. Let me show you on the browser. If I run this file, okay, the data has been pushed in Matomo successfully. Let me show you from Matomo. On Matomo, if I select the date for today, let me select the date for today and I go over dashboard. You can see real-time visitor count is 1 and my latest request is from localhost and the request says pushing dimensions. Okay, I have defined it in my request. Let me show it to you here. This is localhost and I also define the name of action here, pushing the dimensions. Okay, pushing dimensions. This is my request name or my action name. Okay, percentage 20D is for space. Okay, I have changed, basically I have encrypted in URL. Okay, URL encryption. I hope you know about that. Okay, so I was here So the value would be saved in custom dimension. Let me show it to you here. These are my 4 custom dimensions. Okay, source, publication or pub, f, and sub1. Okay, so this is my new custom dimension. Okay, and same would be for publication. Here we have the latest one. Okay, that's it from my side. Why I am saying this one? Because you can see it from my database: source 2, publication 2, AF2, and sub 2. Basically triple 2 at the end. That's just for demo purpose, so that I can show it to you. Okay, if I open it, you can see I have why there are 8 actions, because I already been using it. That's why there are 8 actions. Okay, that's it from my side. I hope this would be helpful for you. Thank you. Bye.